Incorporating natural drinks into your diet, along with a healthy lifestyle, can contribute to maintaining healthy kidney function. Here are 10 natural drinks for healthy kidneys. Number 1, water. Staying well hydrated is crucial for kidney health, aiding in the elimination of waste and toxins. Number 2, lemon water. Lemon adds flavor and provides citrate, which may help prevent kidney stones. Number 3, cranberry juice. Cranberry juice contains antioxidants and compounds that may support urinary tract health. Number 4, herbal teas. Dandelion, nettle, and chamomile teas are believed to have kidney supportive properties. Number 5, watermelon juice. Watermelon juice has high water content and potassium and may contribute to kidney health. Number 6, vegetable juices. Carrot, cucumber, and beet juices provide hydration and essential nutrients. Number 7, pomegranate juice. This is rich in antioxidants and may have potential kidney protective effects. Number 8, ginger tea. Ginger tea is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and may benefit kidney function. Number 9, basil tea. Basil is believed to have detoxifying properties that can be beneficial for the kidneys. And number 10, beetroot juice. Beetroot juice contains antioxidants and betaine, supporting overall kidney function. Please note that the advice and tips provided in this video are intended for general informational purposes only. They should not be taken as professional medical advice or used as substitute for professional health care. Although these practices can lead to improved well-being, results can vary from person to person. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making any major changes to your diet or eating habits. Individual health needs and restrictions should always be taken into account. For more information on healthy eating, like and subscribe to our channel. Live long after 50.